Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the June GLOSSYBOX. We just finished filming the June Look Fantastic and it didn't go so well. So let's hope that there's some lovely items in this box.
More exciting.
Alright, let's get into it. So it's just a standard pink box for the month of June. Let's see. Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see what we have inside.
Yeah.
So this is what the box looks like when you get it. It's always very beautifully wrapped. And it looks like the theme is...
They always have that ribbon across top.
They do. Yeah. It looks like the theme is Worlds of Beauty. And look at the tissue paper, Jason. Look how pretty that is this month.
Yeah. They're always nice.
Yeah.
We never really take the time to look at the quality of the packaging, but they really do a nice job.
And that is what is inside this one. So let's delve in. Okay, so item number 1 is a tiny, tiny little packet of something. So from the brand High Beauty, it is a High Expectations facial oil with 32% cannabis sativa seed oil.
That's like the third or fourth
We're getting
box.
a lot of the cannabis and CBD products.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
So it's a apply nightly after cleansing by warming several drops in your palms and smooth over face and neck. So that's item number 1.
Helps you sleep?
I don't think, it doesn't say that, no.
CBD products? I don't know. Okay. Sorry.
All right, item number 2 is another package. It is from Tony Moly. It's Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. So, makeup wipes. I think it smells like peaches. 8 whole wipes you get in this.
They smell like strawberries.
Oh no, it smells very peachy.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah,
like what?
nice.
Yeah. That is very nice.
Yeah.
It's almost like a candy or whatever.
Yeah, like a candied peach. That's item number 2. Item number 3 is this High Five Cannabis Facial Moisturizer.
Probably supposed to go together.
Probably, yes. So this is 20% cannabis sativa seed oil, which neutralizes, balances, and protects. So we got 2 of those items so far. And then the next item is in a box from the brand Model Co. It's a liquid metal eyeshadow. Ooh. Our first makeup product. I'm looking for a shade name. Okay, so I can't find a shade name, so we'll just open it up and see.
What's that pink
Might
word
say it on the
on the
box.
front of this
That's the brand. Oh, so this looks like a rose gold, Jason.
Oh, wow.
That's an eyeshadow. That's gonna be really pretty.
On your eyelids?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is item
pretty
number
dark, isn't it?
4. It's kind of dark.
Yeah.
It's more like a Christmassy color than a summertime color, in my opinion. But yeah, it's nice.
Maybe just because my taste is more for like lighter shades than that. I don't know.
Perhaps, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, our next item is a face mask from Radial. It is a vitamin C energizing face mask which brightens and renews. Yep. So this is another one where you massage the excess into your skin after you're done. So that's perfect for the lazy gal.
Sorry.
Phone notifications off, please.
Yes.
Okay, our next item is a squeezy tube from Coors. It is a nourishing probiotic gel cream with time-released hydration. Fancy.
Ooh.
And then our last item is in a tiny little purple bottle from
With a lip balm?
Decorte. It is something for the lips. I think Moisture Lips Liposome Hydrating Boosting Serum.
Wow, so how do you apply it?
I'm not sure.
Open it out, like spin it.
Oh, you want to see
I bet
the
there's a big
applicator.
brush or something. Oh, maybe not.
No.
Oh, yeah. How do you put it on then?
I don't know. We'll find that out maybe, hopefully. There's a pamphlet. Have you noticed like the last like couple boxes there in the pamphlets telling us what
They're
it is?
cutting down on, consuming all the trees and whatnot. They're doing better.
I guess that's good.
Yes.
So let's see. Let's get some prices.
All right.
Okay, so we've got 2 full-size items, 2 deluxe minis, plus the face wipes and the High Beauty were bonus items.
Oh, those were options?
It said just as extra treat.
Oh, that's nice of them.
Oh, 3 deluxe minis. No, 2 deluxe minis.
Mm.
Okay, so the first item is the Monaco Liquid Metal Eyeshadow, which is $19.
19 even.
And then the Kors is the deluxe mini, and it is, so the deluxe mini is $18. The full size would be $36.
Oh wow, really?
Huh. The Tony Moly Peach Punch cleansing tissues, $7.
Those smell really nice.
They do smell really nice. The Radial sheet mask is $18 for 1 sheet mask. Yikes!
What's it do? Must tighten that skin
put
right up?
in your
There's a gold
into it.
specs.
Say hello to brighter looking skin with this instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask.
No gold?
No gold. And then the Decorte.
Sorry.
This tiny little mini is worth $22.50.
Oh my god.
And the full size is $50.
Oh my god.
And then the bonus items, it doesn't give you the sample sizes pricing, but one of them's $40 full size and one of them's $54 full size.
Well, those aren't full size, obviously.
No.
Yeah.
All right, so what's our total, Jason?
Do you want me to add the 45 and 50?
No.
All right. $84.50. I don't know if that's Canadian or American or Zimbabwe.
It's American.
Is it?
It's American. And guess what? Also not my favorite box.
Because it's more skincare products than makeup.
Yeah.
I think it's nice to have.
We could pick our favorites.
Okay.
I know. I do. Sheet mask.
Yeah.
Cleansing wipes. This lip. Whatever. Oh, I didn't say what that was.
Kind of stuff in it.
I didn't say what that was. It's infusing skin with all-day hydration to repair and protect. It's energized time-release layer by layer. Okay, so you apply it to your face, neck, and décolletage. It's not even for your lips.
Get out of here. What's décolletage?
This is your décolletage.
Oh my goodness. You're showing your décolletage.
I am. And then the eyeshadow, and then this cream, and then these 2 tiny little packets.
They're weird.
They're weird. All right.
You know the videos looking for likes when she pulls out the décolletage. Sorry. I don't know. Trying to do plays on words and it's not too clever.
You're a special fellow. And thank you again for watching. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here. And if you want to watch more videos, you can do that here and here. And I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. And I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. And I hope you have a great day.